WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro Review 1000 ANSI Native 1080p Smart Projector. The WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro is a new smart home cinema projector designed to bring a large-screen entertainment experience to living rooms, bedrooms, gaming spaces, and even outdoor setups. Launched in India in August 2026, the projector combines native 1080p resolution, 1000 ANSI lumens brightness, HDR10+, Whale OS, autofocus, automatic keystone correction, and built-in 12 West audio in a relatively compact design. With smart streaming features and a built-in adjustable stand, the Vibe Pro aims to compete with affordable, Full HD projectors for buyers who want a bigger screen without spending heavily on a large television. WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro price and release date. The WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro was launched in India on August 15, 2026. At launch, WZATCO promoted the projector at an introductory price of $16,990, while the official WZATCO product page currently lists an MRP of $35,990 and a discounted price of $17,990, including GST. Prices can change depending on promotional offers. WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro specifications. Specification details. Model WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro display technology LED. Native resolution 1920x1080 Full HD brightness, 1000 ANSI lumens HDR10+ maximum. Image size up to 250 inches. Recommended size up to 200 inches. Throw ratio 1.0 to 1 short throw. Operating system Whale OS. Netflix certified compatibility. Wi-Fi dual band, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2 ports, HDMI. USB speaker, 12 West focus, autofocus, keystone, 4-corner auto keystone. Light source life up to 50,000 hours. Mounting tabletop/ceiling weight 1.97 kilogram. Dimensions 19.7 x 17.3 x 22.3 centimeters. Power 155 West, 220 volts. The official specifications confirm 1000 ANSI lumens, a 1.0 to 1 short throw ratio, 12 West speaker, Bluetooth 5.2, dual band Wi-Fi 5, HDMI and USB connectivity, and a claimed 50,000 hour light source life. Picture quality and performance. The biggest attraction of the Yuva Vibe Pro is its native Full HD 1920x1080 resolution. Unlike projectors that advertise support for higher resolution signals but use a lower native panel, the Vibe Pro is designed around native 1080p output. WZATCO also advertises HDR10+ support, which can improve perceived contrast and highlight detail with compatible content. Its 1000 ANSI lumens brightness is another major advantage for this price category. It should perform best in a dim or moderately controlled room, although users should not expect projector brightness to match a modern television in direct sunlight or a very bright room. The projector can create an image up to 250 inches, although WZATCO recommends up to 200 inches for the best experience. Its 1.0 to 1 throw ratio also gives users more flexibility when positioning the projector relatively close to the screen. Smart features and setup. The Vibe Pro runs Whale OS, giving users access to a smart entertainment interface without necessarily requiring an external streaming stick. The official product page says it supports popular platforms including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+, while its Bluetooth voice remote provides voice control functionality. Setup is particularly convenient. Autofocus automatically sharpens the image, while 4-corner keystone correction helps correct geometric distortion when the projector is positioned away from the ideal center. WZATCO also lists screen fit and obstacle avoidance functions, making the projector easier to use in different rooms. Audio, gaming, and connectivity. A built-in 12 West speaker provides audio without requiring an immediate external sound system. For users who want stronger home theater sound, Bluetooth connectivity can be used with compatible speakers or headphones. The HDMI and USB ports allow connections to laptops, gaming consoles, media devices, and USB storage. Wireless casting also lets users mirror compatible smartphones and tablets to the big screen. For gaming, native 1080p and 1000 ANSI brightness make the Vibe Pro appealing for casual console gaming. However, buyers seeking a dedicated competitive gaming projector should check measured input lag performance before purchasing, because the manufacturer does not publish a specific input lag figure on the product page. The WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro ** is a budget-friendly, full HD smart projector launched in India on ** August 15, 2026 **. Priced from ** 16,990 **, it delivers ** native 1920x 1080 resolution ** and 1000 ANSI lumens * brightness for movies, streaming, gaming, and home entertainment. It supports * HDR10+, *, Whale OS, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+. The projector also features * autofocus, 4-corner automatic keystone correction, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, HDMI, USB, and a 12 West built-in speaker ***. With a short 1.0 to 1 throw ratio and support for screens up to 250 inches, the Vibe Pro offers impressive features for its price. Pros and cons: Pros: native 108op Full HD resolution, 1000 ANSI lumens brightness, HDR10+ support, Whale OS smart platform certified, Netflix compatibility, autofocus, and 4-corner keystone correction. 12 West built-in speaker, Bluetooth 5.2 and dual-band Wi-Fi, short 1.0 to 1 throw ratio, compact 1.97 kilograms, design up to 250-inch image capability. Cons: 1000 ANSI lumens is still best suited to controlled lighting, no published input lag figure. Maximum 250-inch projection is better treated as a marketing maximum. WZATCO recommends up to 200 inches. Official pricing and promotional pricing can vary. WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro review. Verdict: the WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro is an appealing, budget-friendly smart projector for buyers who prioritize native 108op picture quality, easy setup, and built-in streaming features. Its 1000 ANSI lumens, HDR10+ autofocus, automatic keystone correction, and Whale OS make it more convenient than many basic projectors in the same price range. At the introductory $16,990 price, it offers particularly strong value for users building an affordable home cinema. The current official listing is $17,990, so checking the latest WZATCO offer before purchasing is recommended. Frequently asked questions: is the WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro native 108op? Yes, the projector is designed for native 1920x 1080 Full HD projection. How bright is the WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro? It is rated at 1000 ANSI lumens. What is the maximum screen size? WZATCO lists a maximum image size of 250 inches and recommends up to 200 inches. Does it support Netflix? Yes, WZATCO states that the projector runs Whale OS with certified compatibility for Netflix and other popular streaming services. What is the WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro price? Its launch promotional price was $16,990, while WZATCO's current product listing shows $17,990, including GST. When was the WZATCO Yuva Vibe Pro released? It launched in India on August 15, 2026.